ilum ane nag ikwak achanyi biat alum kansa agwal zang jik akwak kanchang kapudango ilum ane nag ikwak achanyi ilum ane nag ikwak.
On his way to check on his traps, he bumped into a fisherman from another land with a very high sense of adventure. The hunter and the fisherman became very good friends. This is how a lone hunter found a good companion in the forests.
What happened, my friend? Well, my friend, it appears that my trap has wetted a wild animal with death. You're such an unusual hunter. I'm Kiza, a fisherman from Zirara, and my father named me Jimba, king of the forest. I am from the Zuzu clan. I'm impressed. Kokobane. What does that mean? That is a special way of saying thank you. And in Zirara, we do have a special way of saying thank you. Oh, I like that greeting. Zirara. Come, in the meantime, let us go and do justice to this meat and separate it from death.
Hello. Can I help you with the firewood?
Okay.
So we can continue on the move?
In the land of the Zuzu clan, two brothers with beautiful daughters and had married new wives came together to discuss why their beautiful new wives had not given them new sons yet.
Bute, the expression on your face is that of confession. Am I right?
Maybe. Maybe my sadness now knows no bound. I am a man. I desire children.
Good. Children are the gifts from God.
But you are a seer. But now, you cannot see pressing issues.
Bute, my friend, let time tell. My friend, you seem to know the forest more than any hunter I have met. No wonder you are the king of the forest. That is a very, very wrong judgment, my friend. You see, every man has the ability to be king of his own territory. This is how it has been deemed by the gods. Your movement was exceptional. You chased the animal like a man hunted by the nightmare of its past. My friend, your words stink of hypocrisy. Because I watched you. You were running like a man possessed by the very gods themselves. I was hungry. My net did not catch any fish. So when I saw this, I said to myself, this must end in my stomach. But that is a very, very rare skill. You see, that animal that you killed is a very, very special animal. And you, a fisherman, how is it that you are understanding the language of the animals themselves? Every good friend loves what his friend loves. But we know the arrow that pierces the animal that grazed the fire before us. Enough of this idle talk. The point of everything is we must do this another day. Then I must deem you fit of error. You have to join me to the river Bante. Maybe you might learn more skills there.
Would there be another choice? How is it that you will come and learn all the secrets of my territory, and I will not learn all the secrets about your riverbank too?
Then we shall go tomorrow. Any more meat?
Yes, as we still have the leg left. It's in the fire.
No, I want the scrotum.
Are you about to marry a new wife?
Why are you standing here? I feel completely drained with sadness. What is the union between a man and a woman without a child? My husband is an unhappy man. But do not blame yourself for your husband's unfruitfulness. It is the gods that give children, not the product of sex. Just pray to the gods. I have prayed to the gods, but they keep the silent ears to my cries. Do not say that again. The gods will never inflict pain on us. Just be patient with them. But my husband, what about him? He has lost patience in me. He no longer touches me the way he used to. Everything I do provokes him. I'm confused. I understand. I really do understand. But no sane man will be sleeping while his roof is on fire. Just like the toads love water, but not when it is boiling. Do you think my husband still loves me? Yes, he does. But just bear him a child first. Then I will. Not minding where or how that child comes from, I will bear him a child. I don't understand the last statement. Time will tell. All I know is there must be a cry of a child in my heart.
Anissa?
Yes, Papa.
I know you love my daughter very well.
Yes, Papa.
I'm very happy about this.
Thank you, Papa.
You know she's my only daughter. I hope you are very strong.
Very, very strong, Papa.
I need you to work in my farmland day and night.
Consider it done, Papa. Anything for Bami.
Okay. Come, let me show you my land, my farmland. Okay?
Let's go, Papa.
Just from here. Yeah? So walk through that side.
Okay.
There. Go around that place.
Down to
that place. Come with me. We'll see how to go.
After an adventure and a very good meal, it was time for the fisherman to return back to his homeland.
I have to return to the river where I am king. I thank the gods that my path and the king of the forest crossed.
Riba! It means the gods will praise.
Ayuyana means friends forever.
Ayuyana. Ayuyana!
Just anything to have a child. Anything.
Then get ready to know the difference between smoke and fire.
Smoke and fire?
Let me know when your husband has gone to the forest. The solution to your problem. He said anything.
Anything. Anything to make my husband a happy man. Papa. Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Zirara, my daughter.
Papa.
You woke up when the ghosts were still buying and selling.
Papa, I want to go to Yuri's farm. I want to work there.
Yuri's farm. Yuri's farm is a very big farm. And you're only a girl, not a man. Very many experienced farmers will want to go and work there.
I know, Papa. All I want is just your blessing.
Leah, you can go.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Nobody's watching.
Worry.
We're worried about what?
My husband.
Forget about your husband. Look, I am here for you. I'm here for you. I will amplify your dimples. I will make you happy. I will amplify your dimples. I promise to make you happy.
There's something that is not right. He's your brother.
My brother. Forget about my brother. My brother. Look, I am a man. He is not a man. I will show you that I am a man. There's a difference between smoke and fire. My brother is smoke. I am fire. I'll fire you. By the time I finish with you, I will take you to heaven. Hey, let's go.
Good morning, Ma. Good morning, my daughter. Why are you alone? As you can see, it's a very big farmland, and I want it to be cleared in 3 market days. It's not a problem, Ma. As you can see, the soil is soft and the leaves are not so dry. Does that...
The hunter had promised to visit the fisherman. Very early in the morning, the hunter was already in the fisherman.
Kisa! Kisa! Kalia! Makusondo! Kalia! Makotokondo, Jose! You made it as promised, my friend. I am a man of my word. I say a word, I stand by the word. Are you ready to learn some new tricks? I am very ready. I was born ready. But firstly, you must understand that the river is a romantic lover. If you listen carefully, you will understand that it has a rhythm into your heart and speaks Makashante. Oh, Makashante. Well, I will tell you one thing. Yes. If she has 2 breasts, I will drink from both of them. 4 if it, I am ready. I have the appetite. Lead the way. Let's go, my friend. Let us go. Lead the way, my friend.
sure you're going to finish all this work today?
Yes, ma. With the help of my friend, yes.
Your friend? That's good. Are you from this village?
Yes, ma. I am. Yes, ma.
What's your name? Who are your parents?
My name is Zirara. My father is Ziala, and my mother's name is
Mamu. You are Zirara?
Yes, ma.
Oh, my
You're working well.
Thank you. I hope you're going to finish it today.
Yes.
Continue working.
Back at the forest of the fisherman from Zirara.
Is it coming towards us? This is not the sound of the forest. Show yourself!
Please forgive me.
What are you doing here?
I have been searching for you everywhere. I am here on the command of Princess Leah. She said I should not return to her if I did not deliver her message to you. She misses your presence. She says the night has become cold and old with no one to behold. And surprises awaits you.
Where you are going?
She said I should return before sunrise. And if I don't, I'll be sent to my silent fathers. Please, I am only the sent and not the went. Please forgive me. I must return to the one who sent.
Zaku! Let him be. Sometimes a hermit needs to reconsider there is no place like home. Love calls and advice you answer. Me, I love the air in this place. This is my home. This is why I love staying here. My dear friend Jumba. Sometimes a man needs to die to self, to resurrect for self. Love calls. Go and answer the needed attention. My good friend. Well, my friend, we were about to embark on our journey to hunt, to do our hunting. Of course, you know, this love that you are talking about, I need the strength to carry on this hill. But what if we greet each other on your way to party? It's not a problem, but I greet you first. Oh my God!
Hearing my beloved wife, why are beads of tears rolling down your cheek? Why?
My dear, these tears are the true weather of my heart. It's about our son.
What about him?
Can't you see he has grown from a boy to a man? He needs to find a woman and marry. Is he not old enough?
Iri, why are you doing this to yourself? Why? He told us he has somebody he wants to marry. Do you want us to stop him from that? We should allow him marry who he wants to marry. Yes.
And if he decides to marry at old age, then your lineage is end up with you. Would that not be a king-size mistake? Can't you see that? And you will allow that? No. No.
Oh. You my beloved wife. You have a point there. You have a point. So what are we going to do about this?
Anyway, I have found a beautiful flower. This girl is strong. She is a beauty personified.
Yangalil?
Makoko. He will not resist her. He cannot resist this one. She is beautiful.
Oh. Who is this beauty you're talking about? Which family does she come from?
She's the daughter of
a beautiful, strong, and wise woman. I never thought I'd meet her in the farm today.
His choice of wife should rest on him, not us. Because he is the one that will live with her.
my husband. I am very, very optimistic. Jimba will never and cannot resist this beautiful flower. You need to see her. That girl is good. She's my son's wife.
Okay, let's wait for Jimba. For him.
Ajima.
Ajima Lele. Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? Eh? Why are we at a sad look? We are supposed to meet at our usual place.
I'm pregnant.
Fine!
You're wicked! What will I tell my husband? Have you considered the shame? What will people think of me?
Dusa, don't worry. Leave that to me. I will handle it.
Any child born like this will never have an Eri.
A child is a child, with or without an Eri.
Have you considered what happens to a child born without an Eri?
Yes, I know. He will not marry. If he does, he will die. I know all that.
And that does not bother you at all.
Look, as of this, it does not bother me. All that matters to me is my brother's happiness.
I hate you. I hate you.
Oh.
So your brother, he was on top of your wife.
What kind of riddle is that?
Don't tell anybody that I told you what everybody told me not to tell anybody.
He just repeated the riddle. My brother on top of my wife. Bute, my brother on top of my wife.
I am a man. I desire children.
Good. Children are gifts from the gods.
But you are a seer. But now, you cannot see pressing issues.
Bute, my friend, let time tell. It's all right. It's all right.
Please. Hey, please. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, that hurts me. I was going to your house.
What were you doing going to my house?
Your mother sent me.
My mother, why?
She said you should come home immediately, for she has found you a bride.
Did you tell her about Princess Leah?
No, I did not. No.
Are you sure?
I did not, no, I did not tell her. I swear. I swear on my father's grave. No, I swear on my grave. I did not tell her. I did not tell her. Nah.
For a man your size and age, you fear too much.
I have tried not to fear, but the fear in my heart has refused to go away.
Despite your tummy as big as a buffoon, you must be hungry.
Yes, I am hungry. You must be sent by the gods.
My friend, let us go.
Those are your mother's exact words.
Come with us.
Bute! Azwa, what is the matter?
Do you know you are a heartless man? So you are responsible for my wife's pregnancy?
Wow. Hold your anger, my brother.
Who is your brother? We are no longer brothers.
Azwa, I did it for you. I did it for us.
But there is no us. There will no longer be us. This is a taboo. And I curse that very womb that houses that God's forsaken child.
Azwa.
Listen to me. Stay away from me. The relationship between your family and mine from today henceforth is that of death. That of death.
Ever wondered why the birds scream in bitterness?
No. But I am sure you are about to tell me why.
It is time for a hermit to return home. You have not planted a tree or water a seed.
I know. But the question here is, do I take responsibility or do I inform my people about my affair?
Whatever. It is time for a new beginning. Choose wisely.
I know it is certainly Princess Leah. But my question is, are we really ready to embark on such a great journey?
If you decide to wait until you're fully ready, Jimbam, then your lineage will end on your foot. Yes! Stop looking at me like a monkey. It is not certain, but you must follow your heart.
Well, I suppose I'm going to have to tell them about it.
Wait a minute. Where is this buffoon? I hope he has not finished our meat.
You hope he has not finished our meat. You are the one who invited a goat to come and keep yam for you by asking him if he is hungry. Eh? That's a man that can hide a pot of water inside his belly and you will not even find one trace of it. It is all your fault.
That is just ignoring. Let me go and wake him up. We must finish our meat.
These days, your sadness has suddenly turned into joy. What is the secret?
Maybe I've refined to dwell in the ripples of my barrenness.
Or maybe fire has replaced smoke. What do you mean? Nothing is hidden under the sun, you know. I still do not understand your strong words. Sometimes stolen kisses are the sweetest. But sooner or later it will end in doom. You've been seeing another man. Are you accusing me? I'm a married woman and I have conscience. My husband loves me and I love him too. When a woman's heart is touched by a better lover, she tends to forget the old lover. 3 is a crowd. Leah.
Leah. I have been searching for you everywhere.
Maybe you've been searching for me in the wrong places.
I heard he had rejected the child.
Yes, he has moved on without me.
I have come to ask you to allow me raise up the child. If I finish training him, he will become a wonder to the world.
How do you intend to do that?
I shall take him to a trusted friend in a neighboring clan. After that, he will be called Rizom.
Rizom?
Yes, Rizom.
Okay.
It's alright. I am doing all this for you. Yes.
Kisa, my friend, let me tell you something about the life. There are 2 kinds of people in this life. You have the prey and you have the predator. You, my friend, are the prey. I am the predator.
The end of a fight is more important than the beginning. Besides, it is not the dog in the fight that matters, but the fight in the dog. You cannot resist the fight in this dog.
We shall see about that.
When the hermit returns home, there shall be celebration. Your wife is waiting for you. Let me not break your bones. You might be needing it to make her happy.
Enough of this talk. Let us see who the real prey is. Now you see, you are the prey, and I am the predator. Come, my friend. Look!
You know, when a man is standing today, tomorrow might not be his turn. He might be down. No condition is permanent, my friend.
My friend,
yes.
You may have got me with that cheap shot, but for the matter that I have other things to attend to immediately, I will revisit this issue next time and deal with you appropriately, my friend.
My spirit is with you, my friend.
Makachu Kodorse.
Lakato. Farewell, my friend.
That was a cheap shot.
Farewell, my friend.
And this is how the hunter left the land of his friend, the fisherman from Zirara.
Ah, my princess. My princess, my princess. I come with a good news.
Good news? Let's hear it.
Jimbam. Jimbam is coming back home. He will see you in 2 market days, my prince.
For the first time, you're useful.
Thank you. I'm useful, my prince.
I shall prepare for him. I will give him a resounding welcome that he won't resist. No one must know he's coming to my hut. I shall wait for him. Let's go.
By the morrow, the fisherman couldn't resist going back to the forest of the Zuzu clan to visit his friend Hunter.
Nice one.
Yes, Kizza. Time beckons. So, after tomorrow, very quickly, and what I am trying to say is that I may have to leave tomorrow.
It is said that when matters are discussed in the absence of a friend, it will be discussed a second time.
I don't understand. What exactly are we talking about here? Are we talking about a friend or an influential person?
In this context, there's no difference, Jemba.
I must confess that I am at a loss as to where it is you are headed.
I wouldn't want you to be discussed the second time. I'm coming with you.
The news of the returning of the hunter spread around the land of the Zuzu clan. Even the enmity between two brothers could not stop them from discussing the return.
Azwa, Jimbam is coming back to marry my daughter and not yours.
Yes, we shall see. But I know my daughters.
He knows my daughters too. They are beautiful.
But not as mine. You see, your daughter, they look like their father, Apish.
Azwa, I am rich. You are not. Your grandfather was poor. Your own father died of poverty. And you, your poverty is personified. What kind of in-law will you be?
We shall see who smiles at the end of this. But for your information, let me tell you, Ute, the marriage between Jimba and my daughter has already been fixed, and it must hold. Come rain, come shine.
Oh, marriage, you say?
Marriage, yes.
Does the lion have any business to do with the dog? Azwa, you are a dog. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You shall eat your word.
I am rich, Azwa.
There's an expression of gladness on your face.
Love is coming home tonight.
Control your joy, Zirara. You've never met this man before.
He is the most skillful hunter in our land. The gossip on every lip. Do I have to say for the strong man to be happy? I'm getting married. Zirara, May the gods bless the day I shall set my eyes on him. I will tell him I was born to make him happy. And I'm glad to be captured by him. I am waiting, my love.
Wow. Let's go and cook that soup your mother was talking about.
You looked unhappy. What is the matter?
My man is now a thorn in my flesh. I hate how much I love him.
If you feel unhappy, let him go. Besides, there are better men in the village.
This is the best advice ever. I will tell him how I feel.
Do this quickly. He's not good enough.
Thanks, Olima.
What are friends for?
Have you heard? Tell what again. You are never tired of hearing. The greatest hunter of this village is returning home today.
Jimbam?
Yes, Jimbam.
This news gladdens my heart. I pray he finds favor in me, so then he will marry me.
Marry who?
Marry me!
And this is how the wave of the return of the hunter caused a great ripple across Zubani, the land of the Zuzu clan.
Why are you wearing a frown?
Jimbam's mom has never been here before. I hope everything is fine.
I saw them when I was coming in. It didn't look like they were saying anything bad. So calm down. There's nothing to worry about.
I hope she did not come to report me to my mother. The God knows I did not do anything wrong.
Listen, when I was coming, from the expression on their face, it did not look like they were saying anything bad. So stop worrying yourself.
I don't think so. You know my mother. She can just wear a smile on her face to defend me. And that one, she could just be an evil witch that will also put a smile on her face too.
You have a talent for daydreaming. I give you that. Cheer up.
I'm serious.
There is nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong. You just get worried for nothing. There's nothing wrong.
My princess.
What is this? Listen, my husband is back, and I will appreciate it if you don't come close to me anymore. Go and find your match. I have been taken.
I'm speechless without you. I'm useless. Life without you is lifeless. Princess, another woman in my life is useless.
Spare me those words of yours. I will never love you, not in this life or in the life to come.
Princess, I'm a friend that sticks to the end.
Goodbye. Let's go.
Oh, what are you still doing back there?
Papa, I'm coming. I'm adding more beads.
More beads? Is today your marriage?
It will lead to my marriage.
Yeah. Okay. When you are tired, you will come out.
Papa, I cannot wait any longer. I have to go home.
You cannot go home. I thought you were going to accompany her to Jimba's place.
No, Papa, I can't.
Why not? I hear he has a friend from Zuprada, who is the greatest fisherman of our time.
Papa, you know these people already have who they want to marry.
But Jimba didn't.
Yes, true, but it was his mother that came for her hand in marriage, not the other way around.
That still doesn't mean that you shouldn't go with her.
Papa, don't worry. My own husband will come.
Thank you.
Don't I look like the soon-to-be bride of the best hunter in our land?
Wow! You are beautiful, my daughter, just like your mother.
You look desperate. Let's go back.
Oh, something is even missing.
There's nothing missing. Don't put any more beads on your body.
Mommy, please wait. Mommy, please wait. Can we talk?
Start talking.
I want to talk about us.
Us? There was no us. They can never be us. Leave me alone, my heart belongs to another.
Mommy, I'm surprised you've had a change of heart. Is it because of the arrival of the hunters?
Every woman loves to be identified with success.
There's no trophy for failure.
Amisa, you're a failure. Stay away from me.
But I thought you were in love with this failure. Remember how we used to play every evening? You said I'll be yours forever. Remember?
I don't remember. You're dead in my memory.
Find someone like you.
Bami!
Goodbye, failure.
Bami, please wait.
Silence is an attribute for the dead. Only those who are alive speaks.
For a man so powerful, looks quite cheerful and pleases the eyes.
Even the warriors doesn't stand this long.
Nobody prepared me ahead for your wit.
Only those who understand prepares for this. Since you don't want to sit, I'll stand.
You don't have to. I can say welcome.
Thank you. Let's not forget, my name is
Jimbakuku. I mean, who doesn't know you? My name is Zirara. I'm sure your mother has
overcome.
Well, the thing is, I have already found a maiden that pleases my heart.
Is the maiden from this land?
Yes. I did not tell you earlier on because I wasn't very sure. I wanted to be very sure of this.
Are you sure now? Are you sure? Because marriage is an endless journey where travelers hardly return. So are you sure now?
Well, I would rather marry the person that I know and am very conversant with than marry someone else that I do not even know anything about.
So, it means you are not sure.
Who has bewitched my son?
Huh?
Who has done this to my son? Oh,
It's okay.
my enemies will laugh at me.
It's okay. It's okay. Jiba, I want to tell you something. I'm talking to you as a father. There is no shortcut to the top of the palm tree. Just because you don't want her does not mean you should go for the one you are not certain about.
Papa, this is not the reason.
Limbam, listen to your father. What is it? If you truly loved her, you would have brought her to us.
Well, I wasn't sure then.
Are you sure now?
You are a grown-up man. So, we are not going to force you to do anything. We are not even going to make a decision for you. But all we are asking you is for you to meet with her.
And to meet with the maiden we have already arranged for you. Because you might change your mind.
That is not a problem. If that is what you want, I would take your advice and meet this person. But I want it to be very, very clear that I am the person that has the last decision in this matter. I have the final say. I will obey my parents, but the final decision, it belongs to me. My friend is outside. I have left him for a long time. Let me go and meet him.
You know a ripe corn when you see it.
Come, tell me everything.
You look very happy, my daughter.
It was so magical. The gods must have made me for such moments, Papa.
May this magic grow into something bigger.
Zimbabwe, Papa.
Kiza, my friend. It appears I shall be joining tomorrow to go and see Princess Leah by first cockcrow tomorrow.
Good. Tomorrow belongs to those who prepare. And you, my friend, is prepared to meet your bride.
I still cannot believe it myself.
But are you sure You know, you don't want to meet the other. Kiza. Stupid. I rest my case.
I still have another round. Can you speed me up?
Is this another of your greeting? I'm beginning to get very suspicious of this your greeting. Not at all. I heard that you want to.
He must be a descendant of the gods. He is hard, but soft. He is brave, but compassionate. He is rigid, but witty.
I'm sure with the way you are going, I am sure you hear his voice in your sleep.
And that would be a huge blessing.
Look at you. So, when would you then be married? And would you journey away with him? Or would you stay back here in the village?
I want to spend every moment of my life with him.
Okay. Love is a sweet thing.
That's Prince Jimba. That is Jimba and his friend.
So why did we hide?
She wanted to see me.
Hey, this love. Love is serious. Carry your firewood and let's go.
Only he who wants to be successful wakes up when sleep is sweeter. Don't be scared. It is I.
How did you know where to find me?
It's a small village. Let me help you with this. Just watch it.
Talking about magic power, I saw you and our husband yesterday.
I did not bother to give up.
That's because I did not want to ruin any magical moment.
Zirara!
Zirara!
What is wrong?
Zirara! Where have you been?
We thought something bad had happened to you.
No, it was a gym bump.
Don't be afraid. It is I. Did I scare you?
Someone killed me.
Then I'll make it up to you. Come with me.
Maybe I'll quit.
And we're here worried about you.
I need to meet this man.
No, Papa. Jimba wants us to have a personal relationship away from our families. So please don't go for now.
He's a good man.
Your mother and I have taught you everything you need to know. And I'm sure you prove to him that you're from a good home. Caboose, cabanana.
Thank you, Papa.
This is madness, Buloma, my friend.
What madness?
A woman madly in love with you, touched by a better lover, will quickly forget you and follow the better lover.
That is the reason why you have to be a better lover. Because the girl will leave you and find a better lover.
I don't understand you, Buloma, my friend. You were supposed to sympathize with my situation, but rather you are making things worse.
There is no sympathy in love matters. Either she is with you or a better lover.
Are you a better lover?
I'm trying to be one.
You are still trying, Buloma, my friend. That means we are birds of the same feathers.
No. We are not birds of the same feathers. At least mine can fly. Not high. But yours is full of heartbreak.
I thought I was talking to a reasonable man. Let me retire home and think about my life.
Amisa, wait for me. Are you leaving me? Amisa.
Please, go. Leave us. It took you so long.
Well, every long journey is worth every step it takes to lead straight to you.
I've missed you.
Words cannot even measure how much I have missed you, my love.
I prepared a hideout for your arrival. Let's go.
Wait, that can wait till another time. I am on a different mission. I am on a mission to take a bride to my home. So what you are going to do for me now is to show me directly the path that leads to your father's house.
I agree. You will meet my father. But first, you need to eat, you need to rest, and then change something good. You know how much I love to prepare. Come on, my love, let's go.
Let us go.
Let's go.
This temptation of yours is something I can resist. I can resist everything else but your temptation.
Even though he's with another, I see him in my dreams. You will go from that dream of yours. He will never be yours. Just forget him. I can't forget him. Never. Forgetting Jimbam is like forgetting the stars in the sky. Because every time I remember the stars, I see him. Then, my dear, be rest assured that you have a broken heart. And you will laugh with eyes filled with tears. As for me, I have chosen another man. A man who will always give me joy.
Bashi, won't you understand? I'm so in love with him. I can't even help myself.
Soon, just very soon, you will help yourself with a broken heart.
Bashi, wait for me now.
Unana.
It's getting better. It's getting better.
Come. I'm tired of losing. Maybe you should go and meet a lesser fighter.
I want to try one more time.
One more time?
Maybe this time.
Maybe next time. Are you sure? Come.
Conti was so eager to prove his love for Princess Leah that he almost bested the great...
Please, I promise. After tonight, I won't ask you again. I will only be your eye, your ears, while I learn his craft.
Just one more time.
Just one more time, my princess.
You told me that I was there for a meeting. Oh, a meeting every time, meeting. Oh. Hey, you could guess what? You guess now.
We'll be eating fufu and everything.
You with food. You with food. Guess I beg.
I've guessed.
I know you can't even guess anything. All you know is food. He saw me. From the look in his eyes, I'm optimistic that love has found me. Leave! Sorry. I can't wait to be his wife. Sorry.
Not of course. Who else?
The same eyes has been looking at other beautiful women in this village.
My dear, I'm different. I'm different.
You are not. You are only loving a man who is in love with someone else.
What? Eku, what do you mean by that? Are you out of your mind?
Maybe. But the hunter would only be attracted to a princess and not you.
Cookie.
Yes, Papa.
And Eku, my daughters.
Yes, Papa.
The reason I have summoned two of you here today is to inform you that Jimbam is coming back to the village. And from a reliable source, I found out that he is coming to find a wife for himself. And it is my wish as a proud father that one of you, my daughters, must be his wife. Do you hear me?
Yes, Papa. And what if he does not find any of us attractive?
Is that what you're asking me? Yes. Yes.
Don't mind her, Papa.
Mm-hmm.
Not with this beautiful shape of mine.
No man, no man born of a woman can resist Cookie's seduction.
Oh, that is it. That's the spirit. That's my daughter.
Thank you, Papa.
You see it? Even in my presence, she's already demonstrating and marketing herself. What if she does this before Jimba, before the great hunter Jimbam? How can he resist it? You are here being pessimistic. Huh?
I'm not interested, Papa.
Papa.
My daughter.
As for me, the greatest hunter has already married me.
Oh. If you had touched me, I'll report you to Papa. You know wait for me now.
Jimbam must marry my daughter. Every parent are now parading their daughters before him. And I'm very optimistic that Cookie, my daughter, will make me proud. Yes, she will make me proud.
Amisa! Amisa! Amisa!
Greetings, Papa.
Save that greetings to your father.
Oh, Papa, why do you speak to me in such tone? I am supposed to be your son-in-law.
The gods forbid. Listen, my daughter will not marry a poor farmer like you.
After everything, Papa.
Stay away from my daughter.
You made me work day and night in your farm, Papa. I served you with all my heart.
That's an investment you live to regret. Listen, my daughter is marrying one of the best hunters in this our entire clan. Do not use your poverty to destroy my plans.
But I am surprised at you, Papa.
I'm surprised too. How my daughter could fall in love with a poor farmer like you. Be warned. Be warned, or I see you alive.
But, Papa,
I'm not your papa. Don't papa me. I'm not your papa.
Jimbam,
What is it again, Zaku?
you are here practicing, and your woman is in the bush practicing with another man.
Zaku, what is wrong with you? You do know what I am doing every day.
Listen, his blood just got hot, and he has been giving it to her hot, 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 hot. He has been screaming in the bush.
When will you stop being a fool?
He has been screaming in the bush.
Who are you talking about?
Guape,
Leah.
Guape, Guape, Guape.
Where are they?
Somewhere in the bush. Guape, 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 Guape. Come, let me show you. They are there.
If you are playing with me, I will kill you myself. Move.
I am happy that you had the spirit. That is not every woman, girl. That is a good wife. Now that you have realized your mistake, what do we do?
My own is that the beautiful girl I saw is as good as a wife I saw. And she's the only one that will be my son's wife. That is my own.
Jimbam is here. His choice is our choice. Jimbam.
Papa, as you know, I have made many mistakes in my life. I do not wish to make any further mistake. You are the people that gave birth to me. So, whatever you see standing on the ground, even if I climb even the highest tree, I cannot see it. So, like I said before, you are my parents. You know all these girls in this village. So, the one that you have picked, I am very happy.
That's my job.
Papa.
I am so happy to hear this. I am very, very happy. You see? Prepare to meet her first. Huh? I will send one to the family. There is no time to waste. No need to waste time.
I am not wasting time. I am waiting on you.
Honestly, today, my joy is complete.
Yes,
my boy is going to become a man. Jimba meme. Jimba.
Baba, it's okay.
Oh.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
So, all the things I need to get ready, just tell me. I go and get them.
Okay, my son. I will tell you.
No problem. No problem, Papa.
Don't go and bring that.
I know you are very, very happy.
I will leave you here now. I don't have any time for all this.
That's my son. My son.
Oh.
Blood just got hot, and he has been giving it to her hot, 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 hot. She has been screaming in the bush.
When will you stop being a fool?
She has been screaming in the bush.
Who are you talking about?
Guape.
Leah.
Guape, Guape, Guape.
Where are they?
Somewhere in the bush. Guape, Guape, Guape.
Woman, touched by a better man, she forget she ever met you. What a life.
You mustn't let Conti know about my whereabouts. He has become a thorn on my flesh. I hate how much he loves me now.
But my princess, sorry if I may ask. Before Jimbam was Conti, he has done everything to marry you. If he doesn't...
Seize that tongue of yours at once. No woman wants to be with a non-entity. Every woman wants to be with a man like Jimbam.
He's here already.
Who is here?
My love, your beauty is endless. Princess, your smile is priceless. And my love for you is endless, my princess.
What do you want from me? I have warned you to stay away from me.
You are my forever, my desire, and I will not retire. You have become
My fire, Princess. You're a fool.
You are right. I'm foolishly in love with you, and I will not let go.
This is madness, Buloma, my friend.
What madness?
A woman madly in love with you, touched by a better lover, will quickly forget you and follow the better lover.
That is the reason why you have to be a better lover.
Every woman loves to be identified with success. There's no trophy for failure. You failed, Anissa. Stay away from me.
But I thought you were in love with this failure. Remember how we used to play every evening? You said I'll be yours forever. Remember?
I don't remember. You're dead in my memory. Find someone like you.
Bami! Bami!
Goodbye, failure.
Oh, Papa, why do you speak to me in such tone? I am supposed to be your son-in-law.
The gods forbid. Listen, my daughter will not marry a poor farmer like you.
After everything, Papa.
Stay away from my daughter.
You made me work day and night in your farm, Papa. I served you with all my heart.
That's an investment you live to regret.
You have to be a better lover. Because girl will leave you and find a better lover.
I don't understand you, Buloma, my friend. You were supposed to sympathize with my situation. But rather, you are making things worse.
There is no sympathy in love matters. Either she is with you or a better lover. Amisa, my friend. What are you doing here?
Thinking about my miserable life, Buloma, my friend.
I've told you time without number. Leave this girl alone and move on with your life.
The arrival of these men have twisted the mindset of our girls. Every girl wants to marry the hunter.
These men are great. We must be great to overcome the opposition of our choice.
I cannot forget Bami. Not in this life, either in the life to come.
She said I should not return to her if I did not deliver her message to you. She says the night has become cold and old with no one to behold. And surprises await you.
It is time for a hermit to return home. You have not planted a tree or water a seed.
I know. But the question here is, do I take responsibility or do I inform my people about my affair?
Whatever, it is time for a new beginning. Choose wisely. And why is my friend Jimba sitting all alone? For some time now, no word have escaped your lips. What is the problem? You're supposed to be getting married.
I just found out that I have been in love with the devil.
devil?
Yes, the devil. She has been weaving evil plots around my head. I just found out that the love of my life has been sleeping with another man on this wire.
Why? Why will she do that? To the most skillful hunter of our land? That every beautiful woman is hoping to be with?
I am done with her. My heart is heavy, Kisa.
Not when other beautiful women are waiting for you to make the right choice. She had everything I wanted in a woman. Every single thing. And of all the people she ends up with, a messenger. A lesser man.
I am not discouraged. I will marry another woman.
Will that not be too fast? I will advise you take your time to make the right choice.
My mind is made up, Kisa.
Now come to think of it, who is this beautiful woman that your mind has yearned to be with so fast?
The woman my parents had for me to marry. I will marry her towards another woman.
She is my wife. Mother, I have just seen my wife.
How did you recognize her?
Beauty never hides. Matter of fact, her beauty is so personalized and so tantalizing that she is everything I ever wanted in a woman. Her curves are so rounded that even the gods and the angels will be green with envy when they see my wife.
Oh, my son, I'm so excited. You loving her already?
I love her more than 10 times already as I speak with you.
Thanks be to Christ. You soon meet her. You will soon. I have to get ready now. For love needs your attention.
Exactly.
That's my
This is why I am telling you, so you know the steps to take. We don't want to waste any
I'm
more
loving
time.
you for that.
So while you are pondering on this, I will go and check on all my traps in the forest. I will be back. Remember, keep that in memory.
Oh God. I love you for that. So excited. He's with another woman. I knew it. His actions said it all, but I was blinded by love. Now I'm heartbroken.
You should be grateful to the gods that he left now, not after the marriage. 1,000 broken relationships is better than a broken marriage. Eh? If he left you, let him be and marry a better man.
A good man is hard to find. All we have here are bones enveloped in muscles. They do not think from their heart, from their anus.
Same here with our women. A good woman is a good wife. And any man who marries a good wife has won the greatest melodies of his life. Well, I want to ask you a question. I mean, it might be offensive.
I need your advice.
Are you a good wife? If you are, then wipe your tears. Because every man wants to marry a good one. Because so that you can find favor in their eyes.
I'm not as I am. He saw me with another man. And a stupid one at that. And from that moment, he said goodbye.
The truth of the matter is, you prefer the gift of sex than the ugliness it hides. I even heard from a villager that he's getting married to Zirara.
Zirara?
Yes.
Why is every man after Zirara?
Because she's a good woman. Every man is polygamous in nature. Eh? It is a taboo for any woman to share her sweetness with another man. If he marries you knowing this, he will die. Yes.
Leah. What is the matter?
There is nothing, brother. I'm fine.
No, you are not fine. Speak to me. I am your father.
There is nothing. I'm fine. I just want to be left alone.
When is he coming back?
He's not coming again.
What happened? Leah, what happened?
Father, he left me heartbroken.
It is impossible. No. It is not possible. Impossible. He must marry my daughter. Jimbam, you want my enemies to laugh at me. Jimbam is coming back to marry my daughter and not yours.
We shall see who smiles at the end of this. But for your information, let me tell you, Bute, the marriage between Jimba and my daughter has already been fixed, and it must hold. Come rain, come shine.
Oh, marriage, you say?
Marriage, yes.
Does the lion have any business to do with the dog? Azwa, you are a dog. Woof, 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 woof.
You shall eat your word.
You must marry my daughter. Yes, he must marry you.
I've not recovered from the slap of the other day.
I'm sorry, Mom. We had same interest in one man, and now here we are.
Our man is back. There's joy in the air, but sadness in my heart.
Too many Zimanis wants to be with him.
And it's more painful he only has to be with one.
And who is this woman?
I saw him with Zini.
I also saw him with the would-be Princess Leah.
Wait, if he is with all these women, he might have time for one of us.
I don't think so.
Why do you say so?
Because he has made up his mind to be with the woman of his dreams.
Every man makes up his mind severally before he ends up with the woman of his dream. I shall go and express how I feel about him.
The head of a snake is long dead. It's just its tail that is delaying the world. Jimbam has been taken.
What has been taken can also be taken. When he is touched by a better lover, he forgets the other one.
You're so sure he will fall for you?
As long as I position myself to see and be seen. Every man is a fool to the woman he wants.
My dear, good luck. Oh. As for me, my heart is very fragile. Let me save it for a better man. And not the man that is wanted by every other woman.
Good for you.
Giza, what are you doing? I've been looking everywhere for you. Where have you been? I've been standing here all alone. Listen, today I meet my wife. Congratulations. No, it's not a matter of congratulations. I have been looking for you so you can accompany me to come and see my wife. I would have loved to, but my friend, sorry to say this, I'm going back home today. You're good? Why? You're not happy here? This is your place, Jimbam. You are a king here. I am king somewhere. My time is up. I have to leave.
My beloved sister, please can I talk to you about something? Yeah. I think there's no problem. No problem. You know, it's our father's wish that you marry Jimbam. Yeah. But I wanted to know if you've considered if Jimba wants to marry you. Well, I don't consider all that, my dear. All I know is that a woman has the power. She has all it takes to convince a man to love her. And that power I possess. talk, I'm not worried. But a man has the power to say no to a woman. I see heartbreak. It's all over you. Yet, you keep running towards it like a child that is thirsty of the breast milk of her mother. Really? Yes. Miss Advisor. My dear, keep your advice to yourself. Keep it for your old age. Jimbam is already mine. He is already mine. And no woman can ever stop me from having my man. Get it into your head. What a tall dream. Yes, it's a tall dream indeed. And you know what? Dreams do come true. Not a tall dream. A tall dream dies with the dreamer. This your dream, you will die with it. Mark my word. You will die with this dream.
Ever wonder why the birds are screaming with joy?
Maybe you tell me.
Well, that is because they are screaming with joy because of us. See, I have been waiting for this moment all my life. And now that I found you, you will be mine forevermore, ever and ever.
Words don't move me. My heart belongs to another. I find it offensive when a friend...
Kisa! I thought that you are a friend that sticks closer than a brother. But I did not know that you are a betrayer! I'm lost to the meaning of your words. You are lost to the meaning of my words. You lied to my woman and told her you are Jimba. But you can never be Jimba. You can only remain Kisa!
How dare you raise your voice at me? The same woman you rejected? Now you call me a betrayer? You're such a selfish man, Jimbam.
Not on your life will you ever be with my woman.
Every good friend loves what his friend loves.
Rubbish.
You cannot stop me, Jimbam. You cannot. We're kings from where we're coming from. Don't forget.
Maybe it is time for me to show you that I am king. And this is my kingdom and you are nothing but an unwanted stranger in my kingdom.
Every mate that has its fat will exhibit its character when it gets closer to fire.
Giza, you cannot stand my fire.
What is it? Tell her the truth. Let's not forget, my name is...
Jimbakuku. I mean, who doesn't know you? My name is Zirara. I'm sure your mother has mentioned me to you.
He lied to me. No, stop crying now. Stop crying. Everything will be okay. I hate the fact that he lied to me. I know. Would have still fallen in love with him if he had come to me as a lesser man, but it really hurts. I know. Stop crying. See, you make me start crying. Stop.
Yes, I did. I lied to you. I lied to you that I'm Jimbam. I didn't lie when I said I love you. I really do. Forgive me. I fought so that I won't lose you. But I guess I was wrong. When you love a bird, you let it fly. If it's yours, it will surely fly back into your arm. I'm leaving her down. I only came to ask for your forgiveness and to let you know that I still love you. I want you to be the queen in my world, where I am king. Farewell. We leave tomorrow, right?
I need to talk with my mother.
What if she refuses?
She won't.
You are so sure?
Yes, your mother was here. Your mother said your people will be coming to see my people for the marriage rites. So I don't know why we even have to run away. I'm so nervous.
Calm down. Calm down. Talk to me. What is wrong?
Okay. Promise me you keep this a secret.
My heart and my mouth are sealed.
Okay. My love wants us to run away.
Run away? Run away to where? Without doing the needful?
Shh. I see.
You said what? You said what? Shh. Zirara, what did you say?
I don't know what you are
Ease your anger, my son. Ease your anger. Ease your anger. Ease your anger. Yes, I've so many women. So many women. You can take anyone you want. So many animals in the forest. All you have to do is set your trap, and your trap will catch one for you.
That is not the point, Papa. This is somebody I brought into my house. I called my friend. I share my meat with him. Anytime I catch anything, I share with him. And then he goes and takes my own woman. What kind of a man am I?
Jimba! A woman you rejected. Are you selfish?
That is not the point. The point is...
My friend is missing. Which of your friends? Zirara is missing. Zirara.
Zirara? Are you not Zirara?
No, I'm Zino.
You see what I am talking about, Papa? He has taken my woman and run away. And you want me to stand him up? What kind of a man will stand? That is not the point. Somebody break that.
My son!
I have to go. I don't know what to do. I went.
Zirara, what are you doing here?
I changed my mind. I'm ready to start a new beginning with you. Your people shall be my people. And forever we will never part.
What about your mother, Anjinba?
My daughter, tell me the truth. Do you really love him?
Yes, Papa. I love him.
You are sure?
Yes, Papa.
You know your happiness is my concern. You have Father's blessings.
Thank you, Papa. Papa, what about Jimbam?
Forget the past. The future starts now. I and your mother have decided.
All I want is your blessings. If you say so. Leah? Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Go. Don't keep love waiting.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
When you love a bird, you let it fly. If it's yours, it will surely fly back into your arm.
Kimura! Zakinuku, Mikanike, Mekovaki, Zikelahi!
And this is how Zirara left Subani and the hunter from the Zuzu clan.
I
Amisa. Amisa, my love. What is it? Are you not my love again?
Your love? I think you are talking to the wrong person.
I thought I could live without you, but I was wrong. Amisa, I'm ready to be your woman.
Too late. You came too late. Vamila! Vamila!
My husband.
Please come.
You look unhappy. What is the matter?
My man is now a thorn in my flesh. I hate how much I love him.
If you feel unhappy, let him go. Besides, there are better men in the village.
This is the best advice ever. I will tell him how I feel.
Do this quickly. He's not good enough.
Thanks, Olima.
What are friends for? My husband.
Yes, dear.
You must be tired.
Yes.
Let's go home. Let me take care of him.
Vomila, even you.
As you can see, the gods we praise.
The story of the hunter and the fisherman is the story of the love that is not under the control of anyone. This is the story of the love that comes to those that recognizes and accept each other for who they are.
Nothing will happen to her. I know. The gods will protect her. Is that why you're panicking?
Yes,
You're shouting.
I don't know where she
What
is.
about the mother?
The mother was at home, but she was not at home.
Here he comes. My son. How is it?
I did not find him. From the tracks that they left on the ground, it was very clear that they left at first Kokokoro. But that is okay. Today is their day. But tomorrow will belong to me. We will see and we'll meet him in that river Bante, and I will kill all of them. Wait us.
There is no need, my son. You don't have to panic or go about searching for what you already have. Is she not the woman you told us about, that you met in the forest? She is Zeno. It's okay. She'll take a place in your heart. That's all right.
I have to go, Mama.
Okay, my dear. Okay, take care of
Zirara, Zeno. Please. It is true what she is saying. I saw you that first day, and I am thinking this is the most beautiful woman I have ever seen. And I'm thinking to myself, this must be Zirara. And I am thinking all this while, it is you that I think that my friend is stealing. But on my way back, I am thinking that maybe this is a gift from the gods. This is how the gods wanted it. So, what I am trying to say is, the long and short, the long and short of what I am trying to say is, will you please be my wife soon? We can live together. I'm thinking, you are thinking. I am happy you are thinking the same way I am thinking. So you are saying yes. That is good. That is good. Let me down too.
Okay.
What of you? Lay down. I want to bless this union. I am so happy. This union will bring everything that is good. This union
is blessed. Peace, joy, prosperity, love will flow in this union. This union will be the best. Everybody will see this union and say, this union is wonderful because we bless this union. Whatever you seek from the God, I stand because I am your father. I speak and so shall it be. This wife will give us grandchildren, plenty grandchildren. This union, you people will have plenty children. This, because this is my good daughter-in-law. She will always bring you back home. You will not only stay in the forest all the time. He will bring you back home so that your eyes will come down small. This union will bring everything good. I speak like your father and our father, and so shall it be.
Zimbabwe.
And this is how two lovely friends became the wives of the hunter and the fisherman.
Ilum ane nang iwak achanyi. Ilum ane nang iwak achanyi biat. Alum kansa agwal zang jik agwak kancang kabudango. Ilum ane nang iwak achanyi. Ilum ane nang iwak achanyi biat. Ilum ane nang iwak achanyi. Ilum ane na Ilum ane na iwak achanyi.